Hello, hope you're doing well. In this series, we are going to see how to install Apache Airflow on our Windows operating system. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So the step one is installing Windows Subsystem for Linux. And for that, we go to Windows, Features, and we go to this option and we scroll it down till bottom and we see whether this option Windows Subsystem for Linux is checked or not. If it is not checked for you, you should check it and then press OK. Now we go to PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Press yes. Now let me make it bigger for you. Now we write this command WSL space -- install space -d for distribution space Ubuntu. We are going with Ubuntu in this series. You can use Kali Linux or any other, but we are going with Ubuntu. Then press enter. Now you should see this message and it should be installed in a while. Now you can see it has been installed, and if you see this screen as a blank screen, you should give a restart to your system, and if it is fine, it should show all of these messages for you and it should be prompting for username. And if you face any problem or challenges in this step, which is very easy, you can leave your comment down below this video. I will check and reply. Now once it's done, you should set up the username. I'm setting admin. You can choose any. I could have chosen admin for it, but it already exists on my system, so I'm using admin. Now we set password for our Linux environments. Now there is a password confirmation that we need to do, and once it's done, for the password you can choose any that you can remember easily. It is not any fixed command or fixed password. Now once it's installed, you can run Linux commands here. Now this is for it for this video. In the later videos we will proceed towards running Apache Airflow on our Windows operating system. In the next video we will see how to install Python on Linux operating system using this terminal. So this is for this video. Thank you.